the top. It's diamonds my watch and I can't see the clock. Pull up in foreigns, I'm dropping the top. Turn on my savages, where do I lie?
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Future on the JACKBOYS2 album in the song Can't Stop. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the original Future verse on the JACKBOYS2 album.
Drinking on codeine and went to the top. It's diamonds my watch and I can't see the clock. Pull up in foreigns, I'm dropping the top. Turn on my savages, where do I lie? Turn on my shooters, it ain't no more robbing. Hood bitty poodle, niggas ain't no problem. She wanted the poodle, it cost me 20,000. Fresh in the photo, but then she styling.
So that was Future on JACKBOYS2. And now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals trying to sound like him. And yeah, I'm just gonna
drinking on codeine and went to the top. It's diamonds my watch and I can't see the clock. Pull up in foreigns, I'm dropping the top. Turn on my savages, where do I lie?
Anyways, that's my raw vocals, and now I'm gonna show you guys. Future didn't really have any ad-libs in this, so it's just the main with the reverb bus. There wasn't even delay or anything, but I did go ahead and throw in the Don Toliver preset from the previous video so you guys could hear like it works on this too. And this is literally, I just threw it in and changed the key and turned it down a little bit, and this is the end of Don Toliver's part and then Future's part with the presets turned on.
Drinking on codeine and went to the top. It's diamonds my watch and I can't see the clock. Pull up in foreigns, I'm dropping the top. Turn on my savages, where do I lie? Turn on my shooters, it ain't no more robbing. Little bitty poodle, bitches ain't no problem. She wanted a poodle, cost me 20,000. Fresh in the photo, but didn't need a stylist.
That's what the Future preset sounds like, and these presets will be free in the Discord. The only preset that isn't free is this master preset, and once again I did use my Best Waves master preset for this cover, which if you guys want will be linked in the description. It's $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather buy this whole FLP that you see on your screen, it'll come with a template that's easy to record in, and the Best Waves master preset, as well as the Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins. That'll all be $15 on my website, and I'll have that linked in the description as well. And for those of you that have a little bit more to spend, I'll also have a JACKBOYS2 preset pack that'll come with the Future, the Don Toliver, the Playboy Cardi, the Sofego, and the Travis Scott FLPs, as well as everything else previously mentioned. So if you guys would rather spend $35 to buy all of that, you can go ahead and do that as well. But if you guys just want to get the free presets, that's completely fine. You guys could just go to the Discord, first link in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then they should be right here at the bottom, unless you're watching this in the future. Obviously you might have to scroll up a bit, and if you scroll up through this, there's hundreds of presets, so you guys could go download those and make some good music. And yeah, there's not really much to these presets to show, but I'll show you guys the reverb bus right here. It's at 49%. You can see that at the top left corner of your screen. And then for the Don Toliver preset, I put a lot more reverb. I put it up to 82%. That way he has reverby sound that he always has. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did for this. I'll go ahead and show you guys my auto tune. It was in the key of G minor, retune speed of 2, humanize of 10, and Don Toliver's as well, retune speed of 2, humanize of 19. That's pretty much all I got for this video. So if it helped you out at all, please leave a like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you guys can see when I drop these next two JACKBOYS2 presets. And as always, thank you guys for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Turn it down, turn